Today I'd like to talk about our new medium duty microfiber kit. I'll go over what comes with it and then I'll do a short demonstration. So first we have the medium sized mop bucket. It has graduations in liters, gallons, and ounces. It's about 25 liters, which is half the size of your typical yellow mop bucket. You have the strainer. You can see that you have some color coding, so you can have the mop head here. And you have the mop head, the bucket, and of course there is a ring for the handle for those customers of yours that will want different mop buckets for different areas of their facility, restrooms, break rooms, hallways. A lot of your customers will be wanting that, and here you have the ability to focus on that. So you have the bucket, as I said, strainer, the cart to carry it on, and then you have the mop itself. So as I said, it's microfiber. It has the Vileda head, which has the white fluffy part, which is very absorbent, and then you have the black lines, which is more of a scrubber. You have the aluminum handle, which is very lightweight and goes from about 4 feet 2 to just over 6 feet tall. So that's really handy if you have different sized users, because it is fully adjustable. So let me go over the demonstration. So as I had noted, microfiber heads I really like for flat surfaces. You can see it's slightly wider than a string head, and it works very good on flat surfaces such as the VCT we have here. It's slightly wider, lot less water weight when it's full of water, and it makes it really easy to do your standard figure 8 motion. Again, it has the slight scrubbing on it, but it isn't really good for a really hard scrub or a really rough surface. So I'd like to demonstrate how it works. So quite often you'll see a microfiber head that you have to basically wring out by hand, but this one I really like because of this wringer here. So you just dip it in, pull her out, in we go. Again, you'll see my hands have not touched the water. Wring it out, and you're ready to go. So it comes, oh, and one thing that I do like about this particular new system is it's a lot easier to carry if you have to go up and down stairs or over a rough surface such as a carpet where you really don't want to be spilling. So instead of trying to roll this thing across the carpet, you can put it into the bucket. So it's about half full now. And when it's half full, you can actually pick it up and it balances. If you get a little less water, she might tip to the side. But if it's half full, you can balance it, carry it, and then you just grab your carrying kit and you're off. So walk around with it, walk up and down some stairs, put it back, and start mopping again. So this is how it comes from the supplier. A couple of pieces that can be added is this smaller bucket, which you can attach to the side. And having a 2-bucket system is actually really effective. So what you do is you mop away, and when you run out of mop water and you need to put it back in the bucket, what you do is you take your dirty mop, dip it into this water here just to get off the crumbs and the hair and those things that you missed during the sweep. Bring it back out again. And then you have this smaller bucket full of the fresh water. So now you have a mop that is reasonably clear of hair and debris. Dip it into the freshwater bucket, bring it out into the dirty water bucket, and start mopping again. So this is an extra accessory. It doesn't come with the standard kit. And another accessory is this handle. So this, put it in here, and this helps you move it around. And it also has these hooks on the back where you can hang a small bucket or some other small handle thing. So if you like it, we will have a demo unit here. please give us a call. Thank you.